Okay, lock number 2 of 4 from Douglas0929 from over at keypicking.com. Brinks M1 keyway discus padlock. It does have spools in it. There's a little bit of a false set. And there she is, picked open. So here's a little 4-pin. Use kind of heavy tension on that one. I picked, let me see, picked pin 2, then 4, then 3, then 2 fell back down. Had to reset 2, got the false set, and then picked 1. So there's that one. And the key's still taped on the back of it here. I haven't used it at all, but there it is. So lock number 2 of 4. And thanks, Douglas. And we'll get number 3 up here in just a few. Thanks for watching.